Hello everyone, welcome to Seeker's channel. Many people have many questions about SCON-to-BT M.2. We have compiled several Q&A questions. Q1. What is the main controller chip? A1. This card uses the Marvell AQC113 as its primary controller chip. Q2. Does it have cooling solutions? A2. Yes, with a dual cooling design. Intelligent PWM fan control. Automatically adjusts fan speed based on temperature for efficient heat dissipation with minimal noise. Surrounding airflow channel. Directs heat into a dedicated tunnel, expelling it naturally from the front of the chassis. Q3. What type of network ports does it support? A3. It features dual 10 grams RJ45 copper Ethernet ports. Q4. Does the motherboard require PCIe bifurcation support? Will each controller M.2 use X1 lanes? A4. No motherboard bifurcation support is needed. The card's chipset autonomously manages PCIe lane allocation. It only requires a PCIe X4 slot with sufficient bandwidth. Q5. Does it come with low-profile bracket? A5. Yes. This network card comes equipped with both full height and low profile brackets. Full height, 120 x 18 mm. Low profile, 80 x 18 mm. This network card maximize your workflow. Get the all-in-one solution today. Boost your network and storage in a single slot.